BLOCKCHANCE 2021.
Nimiq is a nonprofit and open source project with a strong focus on technology and simplicity. Max will explain what's necessary to build an easy-to-use blockchain ecosystem for payments without falling victim to the temptations of centralized shortcuts. Have fun, Max. Welcome to the stage, Max Berger.
Thank you very much, Holly.
You're very welcome.
Okay, green is next slide,
Green is go, babe.
Great. Thank you very much. Welcome. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really happy to be here today. My name is Max. I'm the official representative of the Nimiq project. As Holly just said, we are a not-for-profit open source blockchain project with the clear goal of building the easiest to use and most accessible blockchain payment system on this planet. This is a bold vision. We are also here to present one of our latest solutions, Super Simple Swap. I'll tell you what this is about in a couple of minutes. But first of all, today we are talking about the evil temptation of centralized shortcuts. So what is a centralized shortcut? Like, we are here at BLOCKCHANCE to celebrate the blockchain world and the crypto space. We have this beautiful world of decentralized applications and projects, but still there are many centralized entities and centralized players within this ecosystem. So what is the use, or what kind of benefits are there to be a centralized player when we are actually talking about this bright decentralized future that we're all envisioning? So it might, of course, be that you are running a business which business model simply relies on being a centralized entity because you need licenses or it just requires you to run a company. But there are also like the more like decentralized blockchain or crypto projects who are also falling for centralized shortcuts because there are reasons indeed to make things centralized. And let's just go through some of these reasons, with the first reason being, if you offer a solution through a centralized entity, it makes everything easy. This is a huge advantage because, you know, blockchain technology and all that comes with it, all the concepts of smart contracts and DeFi and whatever, this is, from a technological perspective, complicated. And so if you are a centralized player, you can do a very easy thing. You just show a beautiful UX to your clients. It's very easy. You can send and receive your cryptocurrencies. You can even buy and sell them. It just looks like it's easy as eating a piece of cake. You know, like take Coinbase or other major players. The big advantage they have is they offer a very easy on-ramp for new users by making like the user interfaces very easy, and they're hiding all the complicated blockchain tech in their basement. So that's really easy. So what we're doing at Nimiq, we are trying to have the easiest approach, the easiest on-ramp into the crypto world, and the easiest start, but while staying fully decentralized. This is very important for us as a project, uncompromised decentralization. But of course, we know that in order to achieve a broad public awareness and adoption, you have to make things easy. So what we envisioned is it would be awesome if people could just browse to a website, and with only a few couple of clicks, they open up their own self-custodial web wallet. So all you do is you select a little avatar which represents your address, you type in a password, repeat it, and then all you do, like not even an email address, no registration, no software download, by just downloading your files, your keys, your crypto, this is the true spirit, you can open up a web wallet that lives in your browser, so it can live on your mobile device, it can live on your tablet or on your PC, and this offers you a very easy experience, very good overview. You might hold like the digital gold, Bitcoin as the store of value, and NIM as a digital form of cash that is fast and transactionable. And another cool thing, this web wallet runs a node within your browser. So by opening the Nimiq web wallet, you are directly connected to the Nimiq blockchain. We made this possible by compressing all the complex true blockchain technology that is necessary in order to run a node, and we made it so small that it actually runs in your browser window. And that removes the middleman that is necessary in order to run a node. And so we are offering the easy-to-use interface that makes it very easy and accessible for everyone to get started just with a mobile device. And we are running true blockchain technology right within your browser so that you don't need any technical knowledge or technical devices in order to become a true peer of the network. So what is the second reason? The second reason is with a centralized entity, you can make things fast. You can make processes fast because you can give yourselves guarantees and make, for example, periods of waiting time way shorter because you're simply hiding it from the users. But of course, you can also make blockchain networks fast. You build a distributed network of computers, and then you, once again, nerdy stuff in my basement, there's like a supercomputer firing up this distributed network to 70,000, 80,000, 100,000 transactions per second. Looks pretty cool, runs on blockchain, is lightning fast, but still there is a centralized component in it that actually enables this speed. And what we did is we thought, what does it take to build a single chain blockchain that would be capable at running at the peak performance of a theoretical limit what a single blockchain can achieve. So we took this blockchain that runs in your browser and we developed our own consensus algorithm in order to achieve consensus faster and build a blockchain that creates blocks in just under a second while staying truly decentralized in a distributed network without the necessity for some supercomputers to speed up things. And then reason 3, and this is also a beautiful reason to make things centralized, you can make everything compatible because you just take two systems who are usually not connected to each other, and then you build, once again in the basement, you build a solution, you build a bridge that you call a bridge because it's a nice bridge from A to B. Looks very easy to the user, but down in the back end, I remember this funny ad that I saw a couple of years ago with the guy sitting in the ATM. This is like a nice visual representation of how to make two systems, the traditional banking world and easy-to-use interfaces compatible by introducing someone in the middle who actually facilitates that process. And talking about on and off ramps, this is, I think, the missing link that the cryptosphere was still missing. Because we are talking, as I said, about this wonderful decentralized universe, but in order to get into this world and then out again into the traditional world, you usually have to go to through centralized entities. Because companies who actually take your crypto and give you euro for it, and fiat money, and you have to give your fiat money to a company that then exchanges it to crypto. Because all these beautiful mechanisms, blockchain-based mechanisms, they are reserved for crypto assets and tokens. So they don't work with the traditional banking world. And this is what we wanted to solve with our partnership with 1031 Bank. So let me introduce how we solved the fiat to crypto on-ramp in the most decentralized way possible. So you store your crypto on a ledger. So what you want to do is you want to buy some Bitcoin. That means you connect your device, you get a new crypto address, and then we built this new web service, supersimpleswap.com, that can perform true self-custodial atomic swaps between fiat and crypto. So what you do is you type in the amount of euro you want to swap for Bitcoin. I want to pay with Deutsche Bank, which is my personal banking account, and then you type in the Bitcoin address of your Ledger Live that it gave you, and then you start the atomic swap. Now the Bitcoin are being locked up on-chain in an HTLC on the Bitcoin blockchain, and the protocol now opens up a second smart contract. The IBAN address you're seeing, this is actually a smart contract-controlled bank account. So this is the smart contract for fiat that we developed. And what you want to do now is you go to your banking interface and make a real-time transaction from your own bank account into this fiat HTLC. So those HTLCs time out after 90 minutes, so this is a true non-custodial atomic swap. Either it happens as planned, that means that both parties deposit assets and then they get exchanged, or you simply receive back what you deposited. So now we send those 50 euros and the swap's already complete, the cryptographic secret is revealed, and the Bitcoin are on their way to my wallet. What you just witnessed is a direct transfer from a traditional bank account to a crypto wallet. And this also works the other way around. That means you easily send your Bitcoin or NIM to a smart contract and get the automatic payout to your bank account. This solution is called Super Simple Swap. We're presenting it over here at the booth, at booth number 1. So you're more than welcome to try it out. Also, the entire login procedure, you can simulate that, or not even simulate it. You can try it yourself, because when you're going to leave the venue, some of my colleagues will be handing out flyers, and you will find 1,000 NIM on an easy link QR code. So all you have to do is scan the code, receive some free crypto, try all of this yourself, and see how easy it actually is. So now we talked about how to easily get into crypto and also get out. And we talked about holding crypto in a truly self-custodial way. The last thing that I want to introduce is a little hint at our partnership with the Austrian fintech Salamantex, who are also presenting with us. They're also a partner of 1031 Bank, and they introduced something really, really cool, because they are making traditional payment terminals, as you see them, like when you go out and you want to pay with credit or debit card, they are taking these terminals and making them understand crypto. So they can uptrade traditional existing payment terminals in order to interact with cryptocurrency. So that when you're at a shop, all the merchant does is he actually selects the cryptocurrency on his payment terminal, then you scan the code with your self-custodial wallet, whatever you might use, it makes the payment, and you just paid with crypto on a traditional payment device. This is how we envision a future of decentralized payments, where it's easy to get started, easy to get in, and easy to spend. Please don't fall for centralized shortcuts. Stay true to crypto. This is what we do at Nimiq. Thank you very much for attending, and I look forward to seeing you at our booth later, and don't forget to get your flyer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Max. We appreciate it.
BLOCKCHANCE 2021.